Good morning, everyone. My name is Mary F. Dimisana, running for the position for president. IA Party List stand for Involve Youth in Agriculture. My platform is to advocate youth in agriculture's activities. This opportunities to engage the youth in agriculture, especially to our school is focusing in agriculture. We will engage youth to join 4-H club or any agricultural related so that we can improve our knowledge about agriculture. Especially nowadays, we need to plant to provide food to our community. I cannot promise anything, but I will do my best to make this organization to have many activities like what our ate and kuya been experienced before pandemic. And that's all. Please vote wisely. Thank you.
I'm Januel Barcena, running for the position of Vice President from IA Party List. As a young, we must reach agriculture for the better future. Vote wisely.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivan C. Fernandez, running for the position Secretary in IA Party List. IA stands for Involve Youth and Agriculture. As a leader, I will do my best to do my tasks and duties. I may be not good enough, but I will fulfill my responsibilities as a leader. So vote me wisely so that we can have a brighter future. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Regine Edwin, running for the position of treasurer from IA Party List, stand for Involve Youth in Agriculture. Agriculture is not based on cultivated or pulverizing, but it can also help you to earn money. And also nowadays, we need to plant to provide more food. And I can't promise, but I will do my best to do my part, and please vote me wisely.
Hi everyone, I'm Mariam Daniela Abaldeglang, excited and ready to accept the challenge. I may not be the most well-known person running for SSG Officer Auditor in Involve Youth in Agriculture, also known as IA. But I promise to review the accounts of our organizations with all my honesty to ensure the validity and legality of our financial records. Let's vote wisely to better changes, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mitch Adeline, running for the position of PIO from IA Party List, stand for Involve Youth in Agriculture. I cannot promise anything, but I will do my best to make this organization to have my activities. That's all. Please vote me wisely.
Hi, I'm Leo Junior B. Dimisane, running for the position of Peace Officer from IA Party List. Live your life in the peaceful life. Please vote me wisely.
Hello everyone, I'm Maxine Martinaglang, running for the position Peace Officer in IA Party List. IA stand for Involve Youth in Agriculture. I will not promise anything, but I will do my best to fulfill my task. As a leader, I will be the good role model to youth, and that's all. Vote wisely, and thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Nicole Dangkal, and I would like you to elect me as your grade 7 representative, that I promise to be trustworthy and be a good enough member for our school SSG. I promise to be a kind, respectful, and more than diligent enough that I may train my benevolence while serving the school, and as well at each student as a value morality, fairness, protection to all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine Siga Bukan, running for the position of grade 8 representative. First, being one of your SSG officers is committed to serve and be the voice of students. I will make sure that your concern and opinions is different matters will be addressed to the proper authority. My responsibility is to make sure that we exercise our rights and responsibilities as students in the school organization dedicated to serve.
Good day everyone, my name is Jel Madridano Edulin, running to position grade 9 representative in IA Party List. In IA stand and Involve Youth in Agriculture. I believe no farmers, no food, so vote wisely.
Good morning everyone. My name is Christy Elabatigan, running for the position of grade 10 representative IA Party List. Please vote me wisely.